Hey friends, if title bar, minimize, maximize, and close buttons are missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now see, if these buttons are missing, they would be missing for a certain application, right? So here are two cases. Are they missing for a certain game? If they are missing for games, then you need to understand for that for many games, this is normal. And if they are missing for an app, then you can reinstall the app. Now let me explain this. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to apps, select installed apps, and let's say that what do we say, the app is Intel Computing Improvement. Okay, it is Intel. Okay, let's say it was Google Chrome. So uninstall Chrome, uninstall, and remove it, and then uninstall it completely, and then you can download and install it from its original website. Okay, go to Chrome download, then scroll down, and click on Google Chrome. Then click on Chrome, then click on open, then click on yes, and it will start installing Google Chrome. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Okay, I wrote it twice. It is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is System Restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on Open System Restore. Select Next, choose a good restore point, click on Next, and finally click on Finish. And lastly, if everything else fails, then Cloud Reset is the final option. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Recovery, click on Reset PC, select Remove Everything, click on Cloud Download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.